Hey, to measure the stress level on the Samsung Galaxy Feed 3, all you have to do is just to grab your device and you have to keep swapping to the left side until you find... Okay, for some reason my device is not working properly. There we go. Now it's working. So we have to actually get this stress tile. So we have to click here to add the tiles. Now scroll down and move into the stress. From this, you've got actually this information. Then when it's on the green, it means that you are like without the stress, right? And now when I have this, when you have this color, the orange, it means that you've got like high stress level. So currently I have to just put it on my wrist, and keep breathing and just relax my body to lower the stress level. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.